Hello everybody and welcome back to the Riley Photos channel. Now today we're going to explore the question of what kind of person makes the best photographer. Now the answer to this question might seem obvious. Somebody with a good eye for composition, somebody that's creative, somebody with fine technical skills and a passion for photography. However, there are a few other qualities that are, believe it or not, equally important and can make all the difference in creating stunning images. First and foremost, the best photographers are patient. They understand that capturing the perfect shot takes time, and they're willing to commit that time for the right moment. They also understand that photography is a process of trial and error, that they don't give up easily when things go wrong. Secondly, the best photographers are curious. They're always eager to explore new places, try new things, experiment different techniques. They're constantly learning and growing as photographers, which is what helps them to continually improve their craft. Thirdly, I think the best photographers have a deep sense of empathy. They're able to connect with their subjects on a much deeper level, which allows them to capture powerful, emotional, compelling images. They're also able to see the beauty in everyday life and find beauty where others might just simply overlook it. And finally, I think the best photographers are adventurous. They don't shy away from new and challenging situations, and they're always willing to take risks to get the shot. This sense of adventure allows them to capture images that are truly remarkable, unique, unforgettable. In conclusion, there's no one type of person that makes the best photographer. It takes a combination of creativity, technical skills, patience, curiosity, empathy, and a sense of adventure to capture truly breathtaking images. So whether you're just starting out or whether you're a seasoned pro, remember, embrace the qualities, always keep learning, and always be growing as a photographer. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.